Since we have kids, whenever we change car, the one thing option that I want to have is entertainment unit. It's not different than when we have the Tesla. There's one thing that I want to see what kind of entertainment option that I can have. It's surprised that they don't have that option available at all, which is understandable because technology changes all the time. But that is something that we have to figure how to overcome that with all the long road trip without any TV or device for entertaining the kids. Some of you may think that you can just give the tablets to the kids and the problem solved. Yes, but for me, our kids are still quite young. We don't want to just give them the tablet and then they just, like each of them have their own, and then it's not something that I want to do. We search around and there are some options, but then it has to be configured within the car itself. But we found one that worked for us and we want to show it to you.
Okay, so the solution I'm going to be showing you is something we actually started like maybe 2 years ago.
Can I watch TV?
You want to watch TV?
Yeah.
What do you want to watch on TV?
Llama Llama.
You don't have Llama.
Yes?
You do?
Yeah.
So there's a lot of other solutions that might be on the market now, but this is still something we've put together that's very simple that you can do yourself. So these are the basic items that you need in order to set up the rear seat entertainment system in your Tesla Model X. Tablet, any type of tablet's fine, doesn't really matter at this point. You can choose whatever you want. The other three items really that are needed are the Belkin Fat Gecko. I mean, I've looked for a lot of other tablet mounts. This one seems to be very good. And we are going to be doing something special, especially with the extension arm, which is what is really required. In addition to that, the other item you need is, besides buying two of the Geckos, is getting this one here, which is the tablet mount. I'll hold anything anywhere between 8 to 11 inches or so. The next steps are to assemble the mount to the tablet bracket. So I do have two of these. One of them is going to be for my GoPro, which I'm not going to need right now, so I'm going to put this guy aside. And in addition to the two GoPro adapter, we don't need these as well for this. And there you basically have your tablet mount, which you can use on the ceiling. Because you want your tablet to be able to play audio over your speakers in your Tesla, you'll have to pair up the tablet with your Bluetooth system. So basically make sure that's turned on. And then what you'll have is you'll be able to connect to your Tesla Model X using this method so that you're actually able to hear what's being played from the tablet over your speaker system, just like you would have for any other phone. So the tablet mounting is very simple. We just suction cup the top, push it up and squeeze, and this holds very well. The tablet will just stick on top here, and because these extend back and forth, it's easy to accommodate multiple sizes. And the last thing we want to do is make sure that this is balanced in such a way that all the weight is going to be at the bottom so that it's not going to be moving anymore. And then we can actually tighten this up so that there's going to be less vibration. But you can kind of still see there is a bit. So hopefully something where you have multiple suction cups or this is tightened, that it's going to be less vibration for the kids to be able to watch. Is this okay? And here's kind of an idea what it would look like in a Model S with a glass roof. As you can see, because of the glass roof, you can actually put the mount on the top of the roof anywhere you'd like. Just suction cup straight to the top there. So the biggest disadvantage is the fact that when you're using the tablet holder, you won't be able to see through your rear view mirror here because it's blocking it. But instead, that's where the Tesla shines, because then you can actually use your camera that you have here.